Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making slow cooker chicken and dumpling. You will need 4 boneless chicken breasts, 2 10-ounce cans of cream of chicken soup, 1 16-ounce can of biscuits, 4 cups of chicken broth, 1 cup of frozen peas, 1 cup of onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 carrots, 2 stalks of celery, 1/2 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and parsley to garnish. Add the onion and chicken to the slow cooker, then season with the salt, pepper, and thyme. Now add the cream of chicken soup and the chicken broth. Cover and allow the chicken to cook on high for 2.5 hours. After 2.5 hours, remove the chicken from the pot, allow it to cool, then shred. Return the chicken back to the pot, then add the celery, peas, carrots, and garlic. Mix well, then top with your biscuits. Cover and continue cooking for 1 hour or until your biscuits are done. Top with the parsley, and now it is ready to serve. This is a simple recipe for chicken and dumpling that anyone can make. I really hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.